First, check your internet speed using the Rogers My Account app or a tool like speedtest.net. Ensure you meet the recommended speeds of 25 mbps for HD content or 50 mbps for 4K streaming. Next, clear the Rogers TV app cache. On smart TVs, navigate to the app settings and select Clear Cache. On mobile devices, go to Settings, then Apps, find Rogers TV, tap Storage, and clear the cache. Restart your modem, router, and streaming device. Power them off completely, wait 30 seconds, then turn them back on to refresh the connection. Make sure your Rogers TV app and device operating system are up to date. Check for updates in your App Store or device settings. For advanced fixes, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Reduce the number of devices using the internet at once, or contact Rogers support for assistance with modem firmware updates. Finally, use the built-in Stream Health Check feature in the Rogers TV app. It tests connectivity and suggests fixes in real time to help resolve any remaining issues.